Hey everybody, Jeremy from Nisswa Marine here. We're standing in front of our premier pontoon availability board that we've had up all winter to show you what's coming in. We're excited to tell you that most every one of these pontoons are here on site, various different colors, blue, white, black, gray. Let's go take a look at one that we're going to highlight for you right now outside. All right, we're out here in front of Nisswa Marine, right out front. The sun is shining, blue skies, it's beautiful. It's over 55 degrees today. And we're gonna highlight one of very many 230 Premier SunSprees that we have in stock. This is a beautiful boat with an awesome layout. Let's get after it and get inside and show you what it has to offer. All right, we've reached the bow of the 230 SunSpree RF. Has a terrific layout with lots of seating. We got 2 lounge couches here. Premier's done a nice job with the upholstery and the different color variation on this stone and charcoal setup. We have cup holders down here that are nicely tucked away. Of course, this one does have the ultimate PTX tube, which is the driving force of the Premier line. The PTX tube is going to get you that better performance, and it's going to give you a ski locker. You'll notice that we do have some goodies in here with every Nisswa Marine purchase. You get a full boating essentials package with life jackets, throwable, bumpers and lines, get you all set up to go. As we come up here, this is the very popular side-by-side seating. Passenger gets his or her own chair that swivels 360 degrees. And of course, Premier's versatile raised helm. This has given the driver a much better view of the seating. You got passengers up here, we can see over the top and have that command view with the Premier raised helm. Very nicely laid out dash. We do put the Clarion Bluetooth stereo in this, so it's really well equipped boat. As I circle back here, you're going to notice we have the rear facing loungers. Both of these have awesome storage in it. All the seats in the Premiers have the easy double hinge seats. That's another Premier difference between the competition. Allows our seats to open up much more convenient. Again, the 230 SunSpree RF from Premier here at Nisswa Marine. We have several colors, very affordable tri-tune package. We're powering this with a 150 Merc, ski tow bar. You got the swim ladder, the platform out the back. You got to see these. We have several of these on site, ready to go to the lake, powered with the Mercury and the Premier PTX here at Nisswa Marine. We'll see you soon.